So this Assalamu alaikum la ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. This all make is issue. So big issue right now in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the issue in came to I have to give this live conference for international to save my life in risk. My family and 48 people, my family member live in America. They are American citizen. My father name Muhammad Akbar Hussain. I am Muhammad Uliullah. My father is American citizen and I am American Nagorik, permanent residential. I have make one crime in America. I make a mistake in my child life. They have sent me back in Bangladesh. So I am introducing myself. I am in lawyer on my own self and my father is in my lawyers. And I am my father lawyers and my father is lawyer on himself. So in Sarkari government lawyers, we are mostly welcome if they work with us. In Bangladesh political issue, Bangladesh government issue, we are right now talking government authorities making the international case with my video conference. I am the evidence. Where is the evidence? Me in myself is the evidence for Bangladesh international case against Sheikh Hasina and Khaleda Zia, who is right now leadership of Awami League and another one leadership of BNP. Awami League leadership Sheikh Hasina, BNP leadership Khaleda Zia. And another one I'm making case against is a Shaman Nayak leader. Who is the leader? The leader is Nurul Haq Nur. I'm making this case tonight. They have been came searching for me. They try to find me and they try to kill me. My call and understanding is this: why they have been searching me, why they try to kill me, what is the reason? I like to know. Because I am Muhammad Oliullah, my family 48 people live in America. I went to school in America, in Virginia, Washington DC, right beside. I live, grow up, Virginia. I went to Alexandria T.C. William High School. I studied from Hammond Middle School. Then I studied from Mini Howard, 9th grade. Then I studied T.C. William High School. Before that, I was at Ramji, in the kindergartens. Okay. I graduated from there. I come in Bangladesh and I like to learn about the law. The law I find out about the Bangladesh, everything is happening in Bangladesh is wrong. That's breaking the rules. And who is the breaking rules? Is the Bangladesh government. They call Bangladesh Sarkar government, the police authorities and army authorities and Bangladesh news reporters. This is the three department. Is mostly breaking the law. You talking about police community, police, army, lab, that's all is a Sarkari government worker force, armed force. All of them together. You talking about reporters, you talking about Shumoy, NTV, RTV, BBC, CNN, this. You talking about the another, that will be highly accurate. So I Mr. came, they have been told me that the police head, Mr. Wakaruজ্জামান, and army head and police head and Dr. Inus, the president have been made it by America. He have been tell me I will sit in the presidential house. After they lie to me, they will say they will let me sit in the Sujibolai Dhaka. But before I go in Sujibolai, they burn out the Sujibolai. Bangladesh is a no group is allowed. The group have been chosen for Bangladesh. Their religions have been chosen for their Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He have been chosen their group. Their group cannot be Awami League. Awami League is a Sangothon, not a group. And their group cannot be BMP. BMP not a group, that's a Sangothon. Because that's not a group. So what they can be? They have to be Islam. If they go against Islam and they give backup to Awami League or BNP, then they recognize against Islam. They break the rules in Islam and this will go against international rules. And if anything happens to me, I am is the evidence. The evidence I am. Any country want to ask any questions, I will internationally will be answer any questions. Any countries or any problem is come face to me, I will fix it. So since I am the evidence, Bangladesh Somanayok, Bangladesh BMP, Bangladesh Awami League. These three group try to kill me, they try to take Bangladesh over. Bangladesh Muslim communities, they love me. Right now I am living with them, Islam. So I'm really appreciate if internationally all the country they like to sit together. I will be there if they would mostly welcome me. They welcome Suman leaders. They welcome BMP leaders. They welcome Awami League leaders. Internationally, all the leaders came from all the Muslim countries, come from all United Nations, come from America. All the news conference. We will sit. We will to get fix this problem altogether. And before this happen, if they kill me, that American government I know is a when is the American government before Trump came. Joe Biden was American government. He was inside this. So with this video, since I am the evidence, American government Trump after Trump come, and Sheikh Hasina get together and Khaleda Zia get together. And Shumandak, they all together try to, I am the evidence, they try to kill me and they try to put me under the ground. And this is the video I am uploading in the internet. This video will be sue American government for Bangladesh $50 trillion. American government, Mr. Trump, and whoever gonna come next. And I'm sending this video not only uploaded on the internet. I will put this video American website, all the website, so they will know what to do. And I'm gonna send it copy to White House. And I'm making in this video 250 cases. I'm making case against Sheikh Hasina. What is her case? She lied to Bangladesh peoples. She making all the government problems, she break all the government rules. She killers. She kill Bangladesh citizens. She work against Bangladesh. She thief. She stole Bangladesh money. She work against Bangladesh. This is the case against Sheikh Hasina family member 50. And first two people will be get this case is Sheikh Hasina and Sheikh Hasina's son, and there will be international immigration case. The second case will be get Bangladesh Khaleda Zia. She stole, she killed, she had the same problem before, she did the same thing, and her son gonna be the same case, and her family have 52 cases, 52 peoples. All Tariq Zia family, son, daughters, then their wife, then their what is it called, mother-in-law, father-in-law, all of them. Shumanak, all of them, leader of Shumanak, they got cases. Just like our leader got cases with this case, that case, they got together. So all of them leader got cases. BMP leader got cases. Right now, these cases got in the international case from immigration. Indian Narendra Modi. He got in case in internationally. He get the Bangladesh brain to wash. Sheikh Hasina, she wash her brain and she money laundering with Indian Narendra Modi and Indian raw agent and Indian BGB. And yeah, with the Indian raw tell America. Right now, what I'm gonna say, this is the breaking news. America got caught up with that. American CIA is in of this. American CIA is top of this news. This is the breaking news. That's why all the people try to kill me. American CIA pay $50 million to Tariq Zia, the son of Zia Rahman. Say, you go Bangladesh, you take Bangladesh over, and I'm giving you the money. So you're gonna go, you're gonna work for us, okay? So America pay that. So American CIA pay the money. Trump have been giving the money. So after Trump paying the money, Tariq Jia will come Bangladesh, going to say everything okay. Then Tariq Jia say, who gonna defeat me? We're gonna bring Sheikh Hasina back. We're gonna see. We're gonna do vote. Then Sheikh Hasina will come back. There's nothing gonna happen. I'm the evidence. The criminal cannot be Bangladesh president. So Sheikh Hasina family cannot be president. Khaleda Zia family cannot be president of Bangladesh. So we looking forward the president going to be Bangladesh. Who going to be the president? Let's say it right now. Our Bangladesh, our best all time best speaker. He's a Mizanur Rahman Azari. I always say I'm gonna be president. I'm not gonna be president. I'm gonna be president of Bangladesh, but Mizanur Rahman Azari gonna be Pradhan Mantri of Bangladesh. He will be the best ever. I love him. He's Islam. I love Islam. He's Islam. Whatever I did mistake, I don't pray to 5 times a day. He keep me in the path. I love him. He come in today the Joshua. I know it. So we're gonna sit with him and talk. And the best thing, internationally, all the country government was inside this. So I am is the evidence. So America have to come, bring me up front. I want to come in the talk show with American president, right? Trump, right? Trump and my best friend. I love you. I love my best friend.